In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail from Insightly CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to disconnect your Gmail account so emails stop syncing into Insightly, which is useful for troubleshooting, switching mailboxes, or simply tightening up your workspace. First, open Insightly in your web browser and sign in as you normally do. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It may show your initials or a small avatar. Click that icon to open your personal menu. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see it right away, try expanding your browser window or zooming out slightly so the header icons become visible. From that menu, choose User Settings. This takes you to your personal configuration area, not the company-wide system settings. It's where Insightly stores preferences tied to your individual account, including your email connection. On the User Settings page, find and select Email Settings. This is where you manage connected mailboxes and the automatic email sync. You should see your linked accounts listed along with their current sync status. If you have more than one connection, identify the Gmail account you want to remove so you don't disconnect the wrong mailbox. Next, locate the trash can icon next to the Gmail connection you want to delete. Click that trash icon. Insightly will show a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to stop syncing with this email. This step is there to prevent accidental disconnections. Go ahead and confirm by selecting OK to proceed. After you confirm, the Gmail connection will be removed from your email settings list and syncing will stop immediately going forward. This action doesn't delete emails from your Gmail inbox, and it won't retroactively remove messages that have already been synced into Insightly. It simply ends the live connection. If you still see the account listed for a moment, give the page a second to refresh. A couple of quick tips if you run into issues. If you don't see email settings or the trash icon is disabled, you may not have the necessary permission to manage your email sync. In that case, check with your Insightly administrator, and if you change your mind later, you can reconnect Gmail from the same email settings page by adding your mailbox again. That's it. You've successfully deleted Gmail from Insightly CRM and stopped email syncing. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step as you perform the disconnect.